What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. If you can tell by my oversized backpack that's packed to the brim, I am going on a little road trip. It's a nice day out here in sunny California. Let's warm this baby up. Cold start. Boom, look at that. Road trip. Ooh, look at this, 69 degrees. Definitely have to throw that in there. Alright, I think she's all warmed up, so yeah, let's get going. I needed to stop to put in directions. First stop, the Glory Hole. Yep, that's what it's called. I think technically it's called the Lake Berryessa Spillway, but damn, that's an hour from here. I'm already sore from lugging around this backpack right here. Just gotta get my lower back used to it, get all stretched out, and prepare for the Glory Hole. Yeah, I'm definitely running out of daylight, behind schedule. I don't know where the time goes, man. This morning was kind of chaotic too, because I swear all my stuff was like not in its usual place, so I was looking for everything. But yeah, we're just cruising, so let's go cruise. Oh, we got this cop over here. He's probably looking at me right now. 99% sure he looked at me. Like, what's this biker doing in a country club right now? Got my directions posted up. That cop is gone too, so let's give it some revs. And we out here. What is this guy doing? Good, man? You good? Let me go in front of him, far away from him as possible. I don't know if he was trying to let me pass, actually. I'm not sure if he was being nice or if he was being distracted. You know, I don't really get to explore much in the Napa Valley area, so I figured why not? Yeah, I definitely explore most of the, you know, South Bay, East Bay, the peninsula, but when it comes to the Northern Bay and up towards Napa area, I haven't been there in so long, so it'd be kind of cool. And I don't really have any, you know, intention or other reason to go up there, so that's kind of why I picked this this spot as my little solo trip today. I about to cross a bridge, and yeah, this Altima driver is one of those typical Altima drivers. You just cut across like 3 lanes right now. This might be a little nice view up here on the bridge. Oh shit, where am I going? Alright, stay to the right. It's kind of cold now. Probably because I'm over the water, obviously, but hopefully it heats back up because I'm wearing a t-shirt and a mesh jacket. Might have to split. Gotta watch these people. One of my favorite things about motorcycles. This is the highway to Napa Valley right there to the left. I'm kind of going around to the right first to hit up that Glory Hole, but we'll circle back. As Jen Psaki would say, there's a road to Napa. We're just taking a little detour. Oh, highway patrol. It's a good thing I wasn't doing a top speed run right now. That would have been bad. It's not like this thing is fast anyways. A little bit of traffic. Surprised because it's a Saturday, but I don't know. Everyone's probably trying to go out and do something because it's super nice weather. It's so convenient being able to lane split. It's just so convenient, so much safer, and it's kind of fun. I'm trying out this new mic today too, so I hope the quality isn't complete. I mean, I guess we'll see. About to head through the backcountry right now. I mean, just look at this view already. I mean, I'm not even in Napa Valley or that area yet, and this is already pretty nice. Like, look at this. Got my 360 camera going. I feel like I haven't really utilized my 360 camera enough. Let's get this exhaust POV going. this view right here. And I'm already impressed. This car is kind of going a little slow, but at the same time I don't mind, you know? I'm just enjoying the view. I feel like I can't really do any riding either with like my bulky and heavy backpack, so I'm probably not going to be doing much spirited riding today. So normally I'd be like, you're going hella slow, but I mean, I don't really care today.
2 very boring minutes later.
You know, I kind of want to pass him. I mean, if the opportunity arises, sure, I'll pass him. I'm not going to do it on like a fucking blind corner hill like this. That'd be stupid. There's a biker. That was my first biker I've seen today, surprisingly. You know, it's a really nice day, so I'm surprised I haven't seen more. Especially in like the backcountry like this. You know, going through like a little nice twisty roads, scenic roads. I'm surprised I haven't seen more bikers yet. Maybe at the next turnout I'll pull off. Just to give this dude some space. I'm just gonna give that dude some space and pull out for a bit. Man, it'd be kind of cool to live out here. You know what, let me explore this little side street. Hello, kind people. Oh, this really goes up. Okay, I kind of want to see. Dude, look at that view. Look at that view right there. Kind of want to see where this goes. Alright, I'm gonna just see where this goes real quick. No one in their car there. Is there like a hiking trail up here? Dude, what is this road? This is really nice. Here, let me get this on my 360. People seem pretty nice here. Everyone's been waving. Yo, this is really nice. Dude, by chance, I literally just wanted to pull off for a quick sec just to give that car some room, but dude, look at this view right now. Look at this view. Look at that. Dude. Oh my. I think this is the peak right here. I literally don't know where this road goes. It's like one of the best times though, like when you don't know where a road goes. Okay, it goes back down. Alright, I'm probably just gonna turn back around. Cantaloupe Hills Estate. Alright, let's get turned around here. Ugh. Oh wait, now it's saying to go this way. Hold on. I'm all turned around now. I wonder if this is abandoned. Alright, heading back down now. That was definitely a fun little scenic detour. Man, this is a tough hill to climb. You got this! Keep pushing! Keep pushing! Give her a little words of encouragement. Because, man, that's a tough hill. She's almost there, though. She's like 60% of the way there. I wonder if this is this guy's car. No, it's not. Such a nice little detour, though. Is she letting me go? Yeah, I think she is. Thank you, kind lady. Alright, I got my battery all changed out, so ready to go again. Hey, what's up, man? Ah, shit. Fucking neutral. Stalled it! Damn it! Damn, I haven't stalled my bike in a long time. Alright, let's get the exhaust cam going. I caught up to them pretty quick. What's up, man? Okay, there we go. Definitely seeing a lot more bikers now. That's what I expected. Just had to go deeper into the wilderness. One lane bridge. Oh, that guy didn't wave. The first Harley did. I wonder if he rides. He waved to me. Very rarely do you see a person in a car waving to a biker, so I feel like he rides. Either that or he was just trying to acknowledge that he sees me. There we go. That's where all these bikers are. These Harley guys are nice. I think those are Harleys. This little tunnel area is pretty cool. Puta Creek. Little creek. Let me get my exhaust POV going.
Later.
Oh shit. Scared the f out of me. Oof. I don't know, man. How you gonna pass on a corner like that? I always do it on straightaways. Solano County line. Oh, there's a dam! Right there. Oh, it's probably hella crowded. That's why people are parking down here. I really hope that's not the case. Oof. Dude, this is really nice. Wait, where's that dam? Oh, there it is. There's a dam. There it is. Whoa. Oh. How's it going? How was your guys' ride?
Great. How are you?
Pretty good. Where are you guys coming from? Oh, cool.
Enjoy the day.
Yeah, you too. But yeah, there she is. Good old glory hole. I've always wanted to come here, but when the water is high and the water's draining, but the water's pretty low right now. I mean, it would have been cool to see, but that happens like every 5 years, like to a decade, so I probably won't really be able to see it for a long time. You can kind of see down into the hole. It basically just drains out the other side into Puta Creek. I don't know why they would call it that, but that's pretty much it for the glory hole. So let's see this guy. Lit. was the Monticello Dam and the glory hole. I just washed this thing too. Look at all these bugs. What was the point of washing it? Alright, so next stop is sound check. Corvette. Dude, look at that. Nice view of the valley. Is there a fire that went through here? It looks like there was a fire here. I wouldn't be surprised. Everything looks burnt. Is this where all the bikers are hanging out? Why wasn't I invited? Downhill and twisty. Kinda gotta keep it in a lower gear so you have some engine braking going. Hey, this is pretty fun though. It's a nice little twisty road. There's a slide. A water slide. Nice little twisty road. Oh, there's a lake. Ow. The reflection of the sun on the lake is blinding. Okay. Cool. Thanks for being nice. Is there a turnout for this lake? Is this the turnout? Yeah, let's turn out here. Oh, Lake Hennessey? Bay Area dudes would love this lake. Lake Hennessey. What if I just like drove this onto that little pier right there? I technically could. I mean, look. That pathway fits. Got this little squad of bikes going right now. Lake Henny. I don't get why people like Hennessey so much. I don't think it tastes that good. I think it's just for the status, to be honest. Like, 'cause it's on the more expensive side. It's so weird. What's the signal? Either he's telling me to keep up or telling me to pass him. Either way, like, I don't know, I'm just chilling. They're cool. I'm cool. Oh, look at that little spillway thing. Oh yeah, we're definitely in wine country now. Vineyards left and right. This is a nice road. It's like nice, wide open, good lines of sides. Vineyards everywhere. It's cool. Oh yeah, we're definitely in wine country. Does wine have a season, or is it all season? Do you guys wave to scooters? Because I was about to wave to them, but I'm like, they don't count. I don't know, is that just me? Am I just being mean? This guy's a biker though. Hey, he said what's up. I feel like my bike's getting kind of hot right now. It says it's about normal temperature, but I feel it like on my leg right now. Indian Springs sounds like an old person retirement place. Other bikers, where are they at? It's a nice little town. Kind of reminds me of one of those like western towns. Damn, $5 a gallon? Shit. Honestly, I just wanted to go in just to see. You need reservations?
Yes, if you want the reservation,
Okay. Am I able to just go up and just to look on the outside? Like 5 minutes?
I mean, I'm not really supposed to, but
Okay. Thanks. You're very nice, thank you. Alright, so we just got here to the Castle of Love. So yeah, shout out to that girl in the front. I don't know if my GoPro died after that, but she was really nice and let me up. I just wanted to check it out. Honestly, just the outside. So shout out to her. I'll probably blur her face so she doesn't get in trouble. Castello di Amorosa. Oh, I love this car so much. Oh, it has a black view dash cam too. Look at this place. So nice. Oh wait, I think I left my keys in the bike. That would not be good. I don't think anyone's gonna take it, but just don't want to leave my keys there, obviously. I love this car so much. I like my bike too though. Don't worry, baby, I still love you. Still love you. Oof. So nice. Leaving the castle now. Bye, castle. I like this little driveway with trees. And there's a sign. Let's go park over here. Do a little bit of off-roading. Wine country. I'm here at the Napa Valley sign. Definitely took a lot longer than I thought. I don't know, I just wanted to, take it all in, get a bunch of pictures, get a bunch of videos, since I'm not really up here at all. I never come here, so just wanted to make it worth it. Didn't really have much daylight to work with too, so tried to make the best of it, but I had fun. Today was a fun day. I'm thinking that I'm gonna maybe get some food in Napa. Found this barbecue place. Seems pretty good, so I'll probably try that out. Hopefully the line isn't super long. I'm trying to get out of here because I don't have that much daylight left. I'm definitely going to be riding in the dark. Alright, let's head out. Good day. Today was a good day. Definitely had a lot of fun. I'm not that big of a food person, but when I'm traveling, I like to try new foods just to see what's the best in that area, because you don't really get much opportunities to go to that area. Yeah, we'll see about this barbecue. I have high standards now because of Texas. Texas has such bomb barbecue. Oh my, I've never loved barbecue before, but the barbecue in Texas, Oh man, I love that so much. It literally made me like wide, huge smile on my first time trying the barbecue down there. I didn't even notice it, but apparently like my whole family was just looking at me to see how I would react, and it was just a giant smile. And I don't remember it, but I mean I could see it though. Like, man, that was an awakening moment. It's just so good, so lean and so tender, and oh man, I'm salivating right now thinking about the barbecue over there. I'm gonna have to stop talking about it because it's making me hungry right now. Yeah, that concludes my trip. If you guys are watching, thank you for watching. If you want to see more motorcycle content, go ahead and drop a like and subscribe if you want. Yeah, catch you guys next time. Peace. So I got the combo. I'm about to try one of each. It looks pretty good.